guys, welcome to my channel. So I will be sharing what I received from Deloitte in my 3 years of journey, and I will be showcasing those gifts to you. So let's start with the first thing first. I received this box. इसके ऊपर एक cover था जिसमें black color से Deloitte लिखा था, but my mom threw it somewhere, so I can only showcase the box. और इसमें जो भी चीज़ आई है it's very useful. The first thing is ये mouse, ये Bluetooth mouse है जो कि मैं अपने personal laptop पे भी use कर पा रही हूँ. Other thing is this pen drive जो कि बहुत यूज़फुल है. आई कैन ईजिली टेक द डेटा फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी लैपटॉप. देन आई रिसीव्ड अ पेन एंड सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ दिस बॉक्स इज दिस पावर बैंक. लेट मी शो यू हाउ. So the best part of this charger is ये it can charge 2 device at a time. Usually charger पे एक ही पोर्ट होता है like C type how you buy it, but यहाँ पर I can charge my iPhone, I can charge Android. Other thing is इस पे properly दिखता है कि कितना percentage charging है. You can see like 25, 50, 75. So while charging इसमें दिखाता है कि कितना charge हो चुका है, which is a good point. So you can travel easily कि इसको लेके जा सकते हैं या फिर it need more charging. नेक्स्ट यूजफुल पॉइंट इस पे ये है कि इस पर एक टॉर्च है. यू हैव अ बटन विच यू कैन प्रेस हियर, एंड इफ़ यू प्रेस इट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम यहाँ से जो 2 लाइट्स दिख रही है ये ऑन होती है एंड टॉर्च कैन बी यूजफुल. एंड इट इज़ वाइल यू प्रेस द बटन ये यहाँ पे शो करता है कि कितना चार्जिंग इस पर अवेलेबल है. एंड ऑफकोर्स द डेलॉइट लोगो विच मीन्स अ लॉट. एंड वेन एवर आई take it to travel, people ask you are working on which company, so it's a big sort of pride thing. And this is how the pen drive looks like. यहाँ से on like you can use it like this and you can close it. Again it has a logo. Before going to the next gift, let me tell you the story. So one of our colleague asked us for the photo. We thought it's some random collage sort of thing which we are getting on the gift. It was a women's day and they're planning something special for us, so she asked us for a photo and we all provided our photo. And we were sure like how usually the office thing is, they will put a collage and they will say how women work and all those things. But one day on before, I guess it's 8th or 9th March, I don't remember exactly the date. It came next day to the Women's Day, but I received super cute gift. Let me show. And see, I received this with a bouquet. This has my name. It is so pretty and I was not ready for this gift. I was not expecting this at all. It was like too cute. You see how thoughtful it is. It shows like I'm a multitasking woman. I manage my work, I manage my makeup, that you can see. I manage my household along with it, and I'm like multitasking. I'm doing all the work and I'm doing best in it. And it all like the name is very clear. So I used to keep it in my showcase, and many people when they visited my home they used to ask like what is it, and I'm very proud to say that I received this from my company. So I can say like it is a very thoughtful. Usually this I have not seen this in corporate, but yeah, thanks to Deloitte. Next thing is I received a plant, jade plant, with in my work anniversary. I have completed 2 years in Deloitte, so it was my work anniversary and they have just randomly sent those plants to my home. It was so cute. I will post picture over here. I don't have it handy so I can't show in the camera, but still my mom has it and she's watering it. It's too good and it's very thoughtful. Like whatever gift I have received till now, all are like very thoughtful, and it shows like the company thinks about you before gifting you something, and they really want to make you feel special. So that's how my Deloitte is. Next I received Diwali gift. In Diwali they again surprised us with something stunning. Can you just look at the packaging? Who will say it's a Diwali gift? It's giving me a Pinterest vibe, but like I can't expect this from my corporate thing. So let me show what's inside this box. I don't have the stock currently, but because half of the thing I have used, but still I can show you what is available. So like this I have received 3 boxes for Kaju Kishmish and Badam. My mom is still using it, so I have the Badam in it. She used to refill it and again use it. Other 1 box I lost, so there are like 3 boxes standing one by one. And top I have few दिया जो दिवाली में दिया मिट्टी के यूज़ होते हैं वो दिया थे. So this in all like completely healthy plus Diwali sort of thing. And again this is not the corporate thing. They have literally put their thoughts in this box and it is like again a very thoughtful gift. So that's it for this video. I am still missing on few items which I have received. I am not able to find those out, so I have skipped it for this video. Let me know in comment section which gift you like the most, and are you waiting for the part 2, and what gifts you have received from your company. So let's stay tuned for part 2. Bye bye, see you in next video. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.